Welcome everyone. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today we'll be drawing basically as many packets as I can. I'll be drawing like 5 packets. So let's try to draw them as fast as possible. We're setting a new world record. There's gonna be 5. Time to add the feet. Okay. So many feet for the packas. There's gonna be 5 packets. Time to add the eyes. Now it's time for the beaks. Ooh, so many packets. They're about pack a punch or maybe pack someone up in a package. Okay. Now it's time to color in the package. Oh. Alright, let's grab orange. Nice. Let's grab white. We'll zoom in a bit. Alright, let's go fix this one here. Nice. 5 packets. Well done, that was pretty fast. Let's just do some finishing touches. Do this. Okay. Let's draw some random lines. Alright. It kind of looks like a bird's nest of 5 packets. Guess I'll name this the bird's nest. 5 packets. 5 packets. It's like bird nest. Pack. Well, the text size 24. Change the color to this. Bird nest pack. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe. And we post. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.